Hello friends, we have come today at one of the Vishnu temples. It is basically, so we don't have the idea what name it is because everything is in Tamil, so we'll need to find it out what it is. Okay, basically I think so. Sudhir is gone forward to inquire the names. He is speaking with some of the people there to see what type of temple it is. Well, because some people, this is basically in Kanyakumari, and probably I'm sure 90% that it's a Vishnu temple, because as told by the pujaris there and by the Tamil Nadu Corporation bus we came, because it was very easy to come there. So that's how it was, and it's very easy, happy to see that no one is wearing here mask, nothing, and the environment is very close. I'm observing it from last 6 days now that no one is wearing any mask, nothing. Myself also I didn't wear any mask. It looked like freely we are roaming in all the streets. Here and there 1-2 people I saw wearing mask, but normally no one wears a mask. Basically I understand that in Kanyakumari this district is called Suchindram district, and we are nearing the temple now. सुधीर कोई पता है कौन सा टेम्पल है?
वो आंजनेय का टेम्पल है।
कौन सा भगवान?
आंजनेय मालूम नहीं आपको?
नहीं, विष्णु। हाँ, दिस इज द हनुमान टेम्पल. सो दिस इज द हनुमान टेम्पल. डिजाइन रुको. This is a bathing zone here. So I really don't know if they will permit us to take the camera inside to shoot.
और अंदर कैमरा लोड नहीं.
So he's already confirmed it that the camera is not allowed inside. So I'll be doing it only from outside.
हाँ वो हाँ 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 वो हाँ
This Kanyakumari is a really beautiful place. So now we have to see one Vishnu temple, then Swami Vivekananda's statue which is in Kanyakumari, that and the sunset which is really famous. We'll be covering it by today or tomorrow. We specifically selected Raj Resort because it's everywhere. It is very nearer. That's why. That's how. So I have noticed this red and white marking outside all the temples here in Tamil Nadu whenever any temple starts. So it's basically easy to recognize it.
ഓക്കെ അത് ഞാൻ പറയാം, സംസാരിക്കാം, മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? സ്റ്റേ അതാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. അപ്പോൾ അവർ വന്ന് ഓക്കെ ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് പുള്ളി ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ അത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ
In the background, Sudhir is discussing with our tour operator.
അതാണ് കേട്ടില്ല, അതുകൊണ്ട് പറഞ്ഞേ.
I don't know what he's discussing in Malayalam. He's speaking normally. So hold on. This is the temple.
ഒരു മീറ്റിംഗ്
From here,
വിളിക്കാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് എന്നെ
I'll
വിളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
just check
അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ
if they are allowing us.
അത് റെഡിയാണ് സംഭവം, മനസ്സിലായി. हाय, हम तो नागरकोविल में सुजिंद्रा टेम्पल पे आए हैं. हनुमान का टेम्पल है वो. इधर का कम से कम 2000 साल का ऊपर ही पुराना टेम्पल है. उसके अंदर वो विष्णु भी है, शिवा भी है और सीता भी है.
हाँ, जो विष्णु है वो शेषशायन पे सोया हुआ है. हाँ,
हाँ ऐसा हुआ है. और बहुत कुछ है. इतना बड़ा टेम्पल है, कम से कम बहुत पुराना भी है. इसके अंदर कैमरा अलाउड नहीं है, इसके लिए हमको तो कैमरा अंदर लेके नहीं जा सकता हूँ. और पैसा भी लोग उधर से बैठ के गिनती कर रहे हैं. इसके लिए सबसे बड़ी बात वही है. डेली कम से कम को पता नहीं कितना करोड़ रुपया आता है. बहुत लोग आता है. अभी कोरोना का जैसे भी, फिर भी आदमी बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत भीड़ रहता है इधर. ऐसा चल रहा है.
okay. So basically he want to say that this is a Hanuman temple where there is a big huge statue of Hanuman. Okay, so this temple is dedicated to Hanuman. Otherwise that there is also a big Nandi, huge Nandi inside the temple. We could not shoot the area because cameras are strictly not allowed, and the doors are so small to enter the temple that no cameras can be. They have detectors to detect the things and all. And second thing, there is also a Vishnu temple where the Vishnu is sleeping on a Sheshain. Then there is a Sita temple. Okay, then comes Durga temple. And the main attraction is the huge idol of Lord Hanuman and a huge Nandi inside. And the temple is designed in a Indian style architecture, very old style architecture. It's so cold inside. And one of the supermost factor we noticed there was people, around 70 people, males and females, were sitting there and counting money, which will be running in crores of rupees. Like 100 notes were there, 2000 notes were there, and coins were there. They were just straining the coin in a coriander and all like this, and everything. They were sitting and just counting, just sorting out, not even counting, they were sorting out the currencies of 10, 20, 50, 200, 100 denominations, and people are just sitting like in a long queue, and lot of money has been put in between. It was a magnificent sight to see like this, so much of money, but could not shoot that. So definitely you people must take a visit here in Hanuman. This comes under Kanyakumari. Okay, it's on the border of Nagarkoil. Nagarkoil is the smallest hamlet in the southern part of Tamil Nadu. And in between one more temple we will be covering, and at last it will be the Kanyakumari main attraction temple and the statue of Vivekananda. And we'll try to do a time lapse of sunset, probably that time. And due to the corona, still people are coming here full. There was a huge crowd inside this temple also, and that's what Sudhir wanted to tell about the things about that, and he inquired. But this temple is a really magnificent, huge temple, and it will be minimum it is about 2000 years old, and might be more also. But actual per the calculation there, people are saying that it is around 2000 years old temple. Okay, it's a must visit whenever you are in Kanyakumari or Nagarkoil or anywhere. Okay, thank you.
ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് എന്തായാലും കുറച്ച് പൈസ ഞാനിപ്പോൾ